I am Howard Vincent Sierra and I'm going to answer a few questions for my final exam. So, my first question is, what are the most important concepts or lessons you gain from this subject? So, the important lessons that I gained from this subject is understanding ethics and the concept of deontology and virtue ethics. So, ethics is the study of what is right and wrong and how it guides people in making moral decisions. I learned that ethics help us become more responsible for our actions and teaches us the importance of fairness, respect, and accountability. I also learned about deontology, which focuses on duty rules and doing what is morally right, regardless of the outcome. One of the example is that the story of Patreng, which is which is she is known for implementing the pantry during COVID-19. It helped many people, and despite of the challenges, she chose to implement the pantry and help and continued on helping people or continued on doing her responsibility or duty to help the people. I also learned about virtue ethics. It taught me that morality is also about building good character and practicing virtue like honesty, kindness, courage, and self-discipline. Okay, question number two. Um, how did these learnings change your thinking, perspective, or behavior? So this learning changed my perspective by helping me become more aware of these reasons behind my actions. I now understand that decisions should not only be based on personal gain, but also on moral values and responsibility toward others. Learning about ethics made me more thoughtful in my choices, and also it helped me focus on improving my character. Because of this, I became more mindful, fair, and responsible in how I deal with different situations. Question number three. How will you apply these learnings in real life or school, work, relationships, or personal growth? So, I will apply these learnings by using ethics as my guide in everyday decision making in school. I will practice honestly. I go with the motto, if be honest if people are not, be honest if people will not, be honest if people cannot. And also I will discipline myself to be more virtue and more ethical, and also I will be responsible in every action I make. Also in work, if I have work in the future, I will um desire to work to fulfill my duties with integrity and respect. And also in relationships, I will value kindness, fairness, and understanding. For my personal growth, I will continue developing good character and making moral choices that reflect strong values. Overall, these lessons will help me become a more responsible, ethical, and compassionate person in all aspects of life.